So we're under a Ford Fiesta Mk7 now, and we're taking a look at the rear axle on it, specifically the bushes at either side. Now, this one here looks like it's actually started to walk out of the housing slightly, which is quite peculiar. These are very, very known for bond failure within the tube itself. They also are an absolute pain to fit because they come almost ovalized with the way it's shaped, so it's a bit of a nightmare to get them in as well. So this one started to walk out. On the other side, the light's not as good, but it started to actually deform at the top side. So the bottom side is actually nice and tight to the axle. There's a small gap along here, so not ideal. Okay, so the bracketry's now off it, so we can see both bushes here now. These have definitely been replaced at least once in the car's lifetime. You can see this one here, the voids in the bush are kind of in line with this hole here, but on the other side of the vehicle, they're at a completely different angle. So whoever installed this bush has got it twisted the wrong way. So this axle's probably been a little bit out of whack when cornering, just because you've got a bit of movement in the wrong direction. So, you know, one of the great things about our product, you take away the voids because they're really not required. You get the same performance both sides because it's such an easy fit. So this is starting to show signs of a little bit of delamination just around this tube, which is quite common in these bushes. There's also some slight cracking around the bottom and top. Now, we don't know when these were last replaced, but again, not the best quality bush. You ready? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, so you've seen how easy it is to take the old bush out. It's literally just a case of taking a hammer to it and popping it out. Our bush is just as easy to fit. So we've got the bush here. We're going to put a little bit of washing up liquid just round the outside. So we're going to take it. Just going to tap it in. And then we do the exact same with our tube. We'll dry fit this. All the way until it's flush either side. Pull it back. There you go. That's a satisfying noise. Mm. Okay, so bush is all fitted. It was obviously dead quick, really, really simple, spanners and a hammer. So this is something you could do at home, or if you've got a local garage, it does not take a lot of time. So a nice, cheap, easy fix. We've put it on the four poster, put it up. We've then torqued at right height just to make sure we don't preload the bush, so there's no issues with it.